What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're about to put this thing in the car. I know you guys don't believe me, but we're literally about to. So, as you just saw, had to put a new oil pan, pick up all that on the car, and get that all squared away. Then we put the motor mounts on. I'll go through everything here in just a second. But it's actually happening. So let me show you everything we've got done and what we're about to do. All right, boys, so let's walk through what we're working with. And I told you before a million times, the UPR K-member and Speed Engineering headers are just the way to go for the fit, for the quality, and for the money you're gonna spend. Just is what it is. I don't work for Speed Engineering, don't work for UPR. We tested them. The video right here on the channel. I mean, look at this. Look at the fit. Everything fits perfect. Hell, this side's even better. Like, it's not even close. The only issue is this is a little tight right here at the trans. So, again, this is swap life. Put a little heat right here. Take a ratchet strap, pull it over, let it cool off, and you got all the clearance you need. It doesn't actually touch, but it's close. But again, for the money you're spending, the quality and fit you're gonna get with this is just unmatched. So like I said, UPR K-member. These are the UPR adjustable motor mounts. These things are phenomenal. You got these little billet discs here. You just take them out or add them as needed, and you're good to go. But yeah, everything's installed. I'm about to lower it back down on the cart and then lower the car on it. Y'all have no idea what this day means. This doesn't even seem real. Is this happening right now?
Finally, huh?
Jeez. It's just like, man, it's so covered in dust. Like I said, guys, the wait, the patience, all worth it.
Something ready to go?
Yeah. It's about to go in right now. Like, right now. Man. It's been a long time. We got no weight in the back. Hopefully, we'll probably have to put a pole jack under it, but
it's like, you gotta flip the camera around so they can see the inside.
I don't want to seem that cheesy, but the last time it was on the lift was July 2021, and we were lifting it off the old drivetrain. Man. Y'all stop busting my balls now. We're doing it. All right, boys, first part of the process, you're gonna trim right here, beat that metal down so you can get your frame bracket on. Now, typically, if you had shock towers, you'd run these bolts down, but obviously I ain't got anywhere to do that. All right, I guess we're about to lower it down.
Yeah, they were about to take me out with this wire.
Huh?
They were gonna stick it on.
I really don't need them anyway, to be honest with you.
Know that. That's why we're gonna shove it in the car.
Well, yeah.
Just cut it off.
Yeah, we probably need to get the fuel lines out of the way. But yeah, boys, got the brackets in. For the actual very first time, we're gonna see an engine in the car with no strut tears. Kevin, are you excited?
I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
I'm excited too.
Look at this.
Huh?
This is how we do it.
Well,
look.
they're through the subframe connector, so we can't get them off.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, let's use those fuel lines. Yeah, we could, yeah. All right, boys, we're about to drop her down.
You got some really dramatic music playing right now?
Yes.
Gotta be some kind of happy music.
Yeah, ball park.
Oh, yeah. Y'all watch up there, I'll watch up here.
I think it needs to go to the driver's side.
Huh? My side?
No, let's go on there.
Not much, yeah.
If not, scoot the car, hell. Well,
Yeah,
over
you
about
just,
nine.
you just scoot the front of the car a little bit. Yeah, we definitely got to come forward more.
Huh?
I don't think it's got to come much forward. But it's going to have to come forward to clear the steering shaft.
Alright,
So what we'll probably have to do is keep it forward to clear the steering shaft and
there
then
you go over there.
slide it back.
Yeah.
Which,
Yeah, I was thinking,
let me go ahead and tap that in a little bit too. I was trying to a while ago, but it didn't move. I'm just doing it by hand.
It's gonna clear.
What you sucking off, dog?
How close is it to the deer? How close
Here,
is
here.
it?
We're talking about sucking off, man.
Huh? Oh!
Gotta come my way a little bit.
Yeah, if I say I was looking at the dipstick, I was,
Alright.
I mean, it's tight, but
It's good.
yeah.
I'm good. That sound good?
yeah. Alright. Everybody's good.
We'll probably have to take the jacket front of the card up before we, because the trans will probably get it before we. Okay,
You too good.
and we got plenty of ways to go with the dinner. Yeah. Yeah. It does, right? You ain't got room for this shit in there? Here. Yeah, go get the jack.
What we doing?
We're going to have to jack the front card up. Because the trans will hit before the, hangman. You definitely got to go back quite a bit.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Probably-
are you ready to come back?
Probably 3 inches. We'll go back. Hold on. Well, let him pick the front of it up. Then it'll probably roll a little easier.
I was gonna say, this don't roll very well.
Yeah, it don't roll as good as the other one. I got shit on the other one.
You might be able to push that jack back now.
Yeah, push it back.
Damn!
Nope, I'm pushing the jack. We on something?
No? The wheels are just turned sideways. Here.
Turn your wheel back there, Kevin.
Huh?
Reach back here and just turn your wheel.
Yeah. My wheel is straight.
It's pretty straight now, yeah.
Yeah, yours looks
Yeah.
You ready?
Hold on, let me push back in. Nah, I think the trans is already hit. So hit the steering shaft, hit the steering shaft too.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go down some more. Or come up with
Well,
the
come
jack.
forward then.
Come
Hey,
up.
come forward. Come forward with just a little bit because you can't go down. You're gonna hit your shaft. All right.
Alright, we'll go down and you go up. Now we're going to go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, see if you can roll it back there.
There we go. That looks pretty good.
Careful, Kevin, don't scratch it.
Hold on, let's get this shit off. I'm making it nice.
You're scratching it, dude.
Nice. Make it nice.
Well, that was fun.
It's in there.
It's in there.
Yeah, that was,
It's in there.
it's in there. Doesn't look like much right now, but damn it.
It's closer than it was. How long has it been?
It looks way better than it did.
July of 2021. That's how long it's been.
That.
Mine's been apart since
Yeah.
17, so
Yeah.
quit your whining.
Hey, I have been patient. I have been, yeah.
You definitely have.
You better get that
definitely
methanol
have.
working on your car, cause
Huh?
I'm coming for you.
Oh yeah, we're ready. Let's go right now.
Well, there's something I gotta put right there first.
No, I would look at that.
Whew.
Yeah, that's definitely progress.
It's definitely progress. You guys didn't have faith in me. Got a lot of irons in the fire. By God, we're there.
So this is his spot. They swap.
Yeah, they
so
swap.
This is next.
The trucks.
To hold the.
Well, we do have something big for the truck coming, which we can't. We'll talk about that later. Yeah, guys.
It looks like it's parked in the
handicap park.
The handicap parking spot, like something's fixing to go on.
Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I certainly did. So I don't know if you can tell by this smile. Been a long time coming. Boys, I got lots more parts. Big boxes of parts coming, which you'll see very soon. Make sure you're subscribed. This won't take long. I promise. If you did enjoy this, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.